Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I am just finishing up changing the batteries in this remote control so that we can control our TV again. This has me thinking, have you ever thought about how your brain is kind of like a remote control for your body? Yeah, you've got a channel changer that helps you shift or change between one activity and another. And your volume can control how loud or soft your voice volume is. You have a stop button on here, and you can play. How about this rewind button? The rewind button in your mind has a really important job. It lets you think about the past and learn from your mistakes. If you want to be a good leader, you'll have to get used to using your mind's rewind button a lot. So that's the lesson I've got cooking. Rewind your mind. Rewind, reflect, replay. Have you ever made a mistake and wished for a do-over? Like when AJ was playing a card game with Priyanka. When Priyanka won, AJ got mad and knocked the cards off the table. His unexpected behavior upset Priyanka, and she didn't want to play with him anymore. AJ knew that he had made a mistake, and he wanted to fix it. But how? By using his brain's rewind button, AJ could go back and reflect or think about what had just happened and what he could have done differently. He was hoping to win the game, but Priyanka won instead. But throwing the cards did not change the outcome. It just made Priyanka think that he was a poor sport. To learn from his mistake, AJ replayed losing the game in his mind. But this time he stayed calm. He made a plan for making a better choice next time. Once he apologized to Priyanka, she was willing to give him another chance. AJ's rewind button helped him to learn from his mistake. Your rewind button can also help you avoid mistakes before you make them. Simone was in a hurry to play, so she didn't want to take time to put her homework in her backpack. After all, what's the worst that could happen? A thought like this is a signal to use the handy-dandy rewind button. Simone used her rewind to remember the last time she left her stuff scattered around. She ran late in the morning, missed the bus, and made her mom late for work because she had to drive Simone to school. So she decided to pack up her things after all. That rewind button helped Simone go back in time and remember the plan that she made so that she wouldn't make the same mistake again. Mistakes are part of life, and everybody makes them, even the best leaders. But nobody wants to make the same mistakes over and over again. Your brain's rewind button is like a handy-dandy little tool that can help you go back in time, reflect on your mistakes, and make a new and better plan. Give yours a try and see what it can do for you. and I'll see you next time.